Hello guys, Osman here. So I'm just going to log in into incognito and then show you a brand new WarriorPlus accounts. I'm going to log in and show you real proof. Okay, that the method me and Samia is teaching does actually work. Okay, so I'm going to log in here, show you. Okay, as you can see here, we got 7 sales notification. You just go on the dashboard. Boom, we made $45 yesterday. Last 7 days, $118. Last 30 days, $136. Okay, so the method that we are teaching, it's come with both free traffic and paid traffic. So if you are interested to get on board, I'm going to leave a link above this video. Just click on it or reach out to me or Samia, and we would love to help you guys. This is live proof that what we are teaching does work. If it wasn't working, we wouldn't even be recommending it. So I hope you take action, and looking forward to working with you. Bye for now.